Good morning, students. This is Jaya Miss. Continuing with chapter 5, fraction. Okay. Till last class we had learnt about one second. Okay, children. Good morning, children. This is Jaya Miss, continuing with chapter number 5, fraction. Okay. Today we are going to learn comparing unlike fraction. Okay, children. So, what were unlike fraction? Fraction which don't have same denominator. Okay. See, for example, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 7. The denominators are not same. They are unlike fraction. Okay, children? In last class we had done. Then like fraction. What is like fraction? Means 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 5. So, the denominators are same. So, they are known as like fraction. In last class we had done. Today we are going to learn about comparison of fraction. See, in your textbook on page number 26, problem set 19. So let us see. Let us compare. Okay, you all children know the different signs, greater numbers, greater sign, then equal to sign. You already know this. Okay. Now see, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Okay, children? See, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Denominators are same. When the denominators are same, okay, which fraction is big? जब denominator same रहता है ना, that time you have to see which. See, 3 is small and 4 is big. So which number is greater? 4 upon 5. Denominator same है. अभी ये दोनों का देखना है कि कौन सा big है. This is big and this is small. If denominator is same. Similarly, 4 upon 8 and 9 upon 8. Denominators are same. 8, 8. कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 9 is big, no? So 9 is greater. If your denominator is same, you have to see the numerator. Numerator 9 is greater, no? So this fraction is greater. Okay, children? Now in this one, second, see, here's 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 8. Denominators are not same. Denominators are different. But numerators are same. So which number is greater? You have to check the denominator. 7 is great or 8 is great. In this case, this is greater. 3 upon 7 is greater. Simple trick. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है तो ऊपर जो नंबर बड़ा होगा वो ग्रेटर होगा. ओके. और अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम होता है तो नीचे जो नंबर छोटा होगा, स्मॉल होगा, वो ग्रेटर होगा. आया बात समझ में? नाउ सी, 8 upon 11, 8 upon 17. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, दोनों न्यूमरेटर सेम है पर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों अलग है. जो छोटा डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो ग्रेटर होगा. नाउ सी, 7 upon 9 and 7 upon 6 or 8. Come on, let us take 8. Both the numerators are same. but the denominator which is small will be greater. This is the technique. डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा तो जो नंबर यहां बड़ा होगा वो ग्रेटर होगा, पर अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम होगा तो नीचे जो नंबर छोटा होगा वो ग्रेटर होगा. ओके, we will solve the exercise, that time you will come to know. Then see, 8 upon 5, 8 upon 5, both are same, it is easy, equal to sign. 5 upon 13, 5 upon 13, both are same. Okay, let us see this exercise. Okay, let us solve first. 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7, both are same, so which sign will come? Equal to sign. 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8. Okay children, 3 upon 8 and 2 upon 8. यहाँ कौन डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, तो कौन सा नंबर बड़ा होगा? विच नंबर विल बी बिग? 3. डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा ना, तो जो नंबर बड़ा रहता है ऊपर वो बड़ा होगा. 2 से 3 बड़ा है ना, 3 is greater than 2. If denominators are same, then 3 is greater than 2. Okay? Now let us see. 2 upon 11, 10 upon 11. Both the denominators are same. Now 2 is greater than 10 or 10 is greater than 2? 10 is greater than 2. Okay children? Now let us see here. अब देखो 5 upon 15, 10 upon 30. इसको कैसे करेंगे? दोनों का let us solve here. अब इनको पहले लाइक फ्रैक्शन करना है. दिस आर अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन. नो, न्यूमरेटर्स आर ऑल्सो नॉट सेम, डिनोमिनेटर्स आर ऑल्सो नॉट सेम. सो लेट अस डू व्हाट इन लास्ट क्लास वी हैड डन. 5 upon 10, sorry, 5 upon 15 multiply by 30. दोनों को, हाँ, सिंपल मेथड है. और यहाँ 10 upon 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 15. ओके, 5 3s are 15. 0 डायरेक्टली आएगा. 150. 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 is 150 and 15 30s are 13 50s are 450. Okay children, 10 15s are 150. And 30 15s are 450. क्या है दोनों? Now see, 150 multiply by 450 equal to sign. Right children? I hope you all understood. पहले मैंने उनको लाइक फ्रैक्शन में किया. इन लास्ट क्लास वी हैड डन, यू इफ यू रिमेम्बर, 5 मल्टीप्लाई 5 अपॉन 15 लिख दिया, फिर 30 से मल्टीप्लाई किया दोनों को. ओके, एंड यहाँ 10 अपॉन 30 लिख दिया एंड वी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 15. इसका न्यूमरेटर्स डिनोमिनेटर से. सो बोथ द आंसर आर सेम, सो इट इज इक्वल. 5 upon 15 and 10 upon 30 is equal. Okay children? लेट अस सी द फिफ्थ सम. ये इक्वल टू हो गया. अभी देखो न्यूमरेटर सेम है 5/8 5/9. जब भी न्यूमरेटर सेम रहता है सो विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर? 8 इज ग्रेटर. छोटा नंबर ग्रेटर होगा. 8 और 9 में 8 ग्रेटर होगा. ओके. नाउ सी अगेन 4/7 4/11. न्यूमरेटर आर सेम, डिनोमिनेटर इज डिफरेंट. तो कौन सा नंबर होगा? 7. ओके. 10/11 10/13. न्यूमरेटर इज सेम, डिनोमिनेटर 11 और 13 है. So 11 is greater. 1/5 1/9. Same. Because न्यूमरेटर सेम है. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा तो जो नंबर ऊपर होता है वो बड़ा होगा. ओके. नाउ सी 5/6 1/8. नहीं कर सकते ना. हाउ वी विल कम टू. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सम्स प्लीज डू इट इन योर मैथ्स नोटबुक. 5/6 and 1/8. 5/6 को आप लिखोगे. You write. Then you will multiply with 8. इससे multiply करोगे. 5 4s are 40. 6 8s are 48. Okay children. Then 1/8 multiply by 6 6. 1 6s are 6. 8 6s are 48. Now tell me 40/48 and 6/48. दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 40 इज बिग और 6 इज बिग? 40 is greater than 6. Okay children. So 40 is sorry, ये नंबर ग्रेटर है. राइट. नाउ लेट अस सी 5/12 1/6. See, I am solving here. Please pay attention. 5/12 and 1/6. सॉल्व करो. 5/12. दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है. दोनों का न्यूमरेटर इज ऑल्सो नॉट सेम. व्हाट यू विल डू चिल्ड्रन? मल्टीप्लाई. फाइव 6 are 30. 12 6 are 72. Right? 12 6 are 72, no? Yes. 1 12s are 12. 6 12s are 72. Now write 30/72. 12/72. Okay children? दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया. अब उसको छोड़ देने का. You have to check the numerators. 30 is greater than 12. So, greater sign. Okay. Now let us solve the. I'm solving here only because which are unlike fraction you have to solve and see whether they are same or not. Okay children. See, this is also not same. Six sevens are what is 6 sevens are children? 42. 1 sevens are 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay. So it is 112. And 16 eights are 6 8s are 48. 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 4 is 128. यहाँ 128 आएगा. And 14 8s are 4 8s are 32. 1 8s are 8 and 11. So 112. See children, sums are equal, so you have to solve unlike fraction. These are equal to. Need to solve these sums. Please practice. I will ask this type of sums in your exam. So this is a equal fraction. Okay. Now see 12th sum. 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9. Simple. 13th sum. That's why I'm solving the entire exercise, so you can understand easily. Okay, same method. Five nines are 45. 18 nines are. Please make a rough column. 8 nines are 72. 1 nines are 9. 16. 162. Now let us write 1 upon 9 multiply by 18. 18. 18 upon 162. ठीक है? Then you will write 162. 18 upon 162. Both the denominators are same. 45 is greater than 18. Okay, children? Now 14th sum. 2 upon 3. 4 upon 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 upon 7. 3. 3. 4 threes are 12. 3 sevens are 21. Now you write and see 14 upon 21 and 12 upon 21. So 21 and 21 both the denominators are same. Now which number is greater? 14 is greater than 12. So you will write a greater sign. Okay children? This is greater. 2 upon 3 is greater. Okay, 3 upon 7, 5 upon 9. Okay children, so 3 upon 7 multiply by 9. 3 nines are 27. 7 nines are 63. 5 upon 9, then you will multiply with first number's denominator. 7 7. 5 sevens are 35. 9 sevens are 63. Now 27 upon 63 and 35 upon 63. 63 63, both the denominators are same. Now which number is greater children? 27 or 35? 35. So 3 upon 7 is greater. Okay children. Now let us solve the last sum. Please practice this fraction sums. It is a very important chapter. Big chapter I know, but very important. You have to practice children. multiply by 5. 4 5s are 20, 11 5s are 55. Okay, 1 upon 5 multiply by 11. 1 11s are 11, 5 11s are 55. Right, children? Now see, 20 upon 55 and 11 upon 55. So both the denominators are same. Now check which number is greater. 20 is greater than 11. So greater sign. Okay, children? Please solve the sums in your maths notebook. Okay, maths long book. And thank you. Please practice the sums.